Hi everyone. I did so many problems to find out the area of the triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, and other types of quadrilaterals also. Okay. In this problem also, we are going to find out the area of the triangle. See, this question they asked during the year of 2015 in UIICL assistant examination. In this problem, the height of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the square whose diagonal is 8 into root 2 meters. See first, what is the diagonal of the square? Root 2 into side. We have to find out the side of the square. Then only we can find out the perimeter of the square. So, diagonal of the square is equal to root 2 into A. Root 2 into A is 8 root 2 meters. So, what is A value? 8 root 2 by root 2, that is 8 meters. What is the perimeter of the square? 4 into side. Am I right? So 4 into 4 eighths are 32 meters. That is the perimeter of the square. See what is given in the problem? Height of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the square. So height of the triangle is equal to 32 meters. Now we have to find out the base of the same triangle. For that, it is given in the problem. One more square is taking. Area of this square is given as 729 meters. See, base of the same triangle is equal to the side of the square. So, base of the triangle is equal to side of the square. Okay. How to find out the side of the square? Area is given. So, side of the square is equal to square root of area. Am I right? So, square root of 729 is 27 meters. That is the base of the triangle. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the area of the triangle. What is the formula to find out the area of the triangle? Half into base into height square units. So half into base is given as, base we got it as 27 meters. Base is 27 meters. 27 into height is 32 meters. Okay. So 16 times it's going. So 27 into 16. That is 27 into 16. 6 7 are 42. 4 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4. 16. 1 7s are 7. 1 2. So 432 meters square. That is the, so correct option is